Alright, bringing you back on this build update on the 59 CJ5. Got the engine in with the new oil pan, alternator brackets, turbo. I got the exhaust just dumped for now. Intake with air filter is mocked up, waiting on a few clamps. Got the piping done for the intake. Gauges are just here so that I can run it and watch the stuff under the hood. They'll be eventually mounted on the dash. All the motor mounts, engine mounts, and the oil filter, everything's in. Ready to go. Got the transmission, transfer case, new clutch, everything is in. Got the brakes hooked back up, got the clutch hooked up. The extra shifter that you're seeing, the new one, is for the overdrive unit. I purchased a Saturn overdrive. Bolts into the back of the transfer case so you can use it in high range and low range. See if I can get you a video of that. You can kind of see it back here on the back of the transmission if it'll focus. Park and brake next to it. So, as you can tell, it's getting closer. I still got to do the cooling system, finish the fuel system. This is going to be my fuel filter. I have to run the lines to the tank. I am going to run the OE tank under the seat, so I have to run the lines back here. Just a little update as to where it's at. Thanks for watching.